Hello everyone, this is Modal Test 3 with should, have to, and must. Okay, like the two previous tests that I did on modal verbs, you're going to fill in the blanks, and this time with should, have to, or must. And again, if you want to, you can review the video that I did on these modal verbs. But if not, are you ready? Okay, number 1. And the answer is students have to or must pass an entrance exam to attend that university. In this case, we're talking about necessity. So this is something that they need to do. So we use have to and must. All right, number 2. And the answer is she has a dentist appointment right after school today. So she has to leave early. In this case, she's very concerned. So she needs to use has to in this case. You probably could use must also. I think has to fits best in here. Okay, number 3. And the answer is, my boss doesn't mind if I'm a little bit late, but I really should be at work right now. In this case, the person is a little less concerned, all right? And this is still obligation, so she uses should. Number 4. And the answer is, you should study harder if you want a higher grade in that class. This is giving advice, and in this case, you use should. Okay, number 5. And the answer is, when you go to Paris, you should visit the Eiffel Tower. This is a recommendation, and we usually use should when we're giving recommendations. All right, number 6. And the answer is, I'm very tired today. I should not have or shouldn't have stayed up late last night. In this case, the person is expressing regret, and we use should or shouldn't here. Okay? All right, number 7. And the answer is, you have a high fever. You must see a doctor at once. In this case, it's a strong recommendation, so we use must. You probably could use you have to see a doctor at once. All right, they're both. I think must is stronger though. Okay, number 8. And the answer is, by now, her bus should already be in New York City. In this case, the person is expecting the girl to be there, and with expectation, we use should. Okay, number 9. And the answer is, you must be tired after your long day at work. In this case, this is an assumption, and we use must because we're assuming that he worked really hard, so he must be tired. You can also use have to here. All right? Okay, The last one, number 10. And the answer is, I think nurses should have higher salaries. In this case, the person is expressing an opinion and we use should for that. Okay, that's all for this test. How did you do? Did you get them all correct? No? Well, good try if you didn't, and if you did, great. But remember, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.